Hi
Hello guys,
guys. So what's up? What's happening? So my name is Indu.
and this is Sachin.
Yeah. So today, what are we going to talk about?
So today, first of all, we are going to say we have been not giving the videos regularly, like in 1 week or within 2 weeks. So we don't have any permanent cycle as of now.
Yeah, because we had some personal things to complete, and so that's why uh, our videos are going sometimes late. And sorry for that.
And the second thing is actually we started this channel for the purpose after we clear our exam and we will move to Canada after some time. But due to this pandemic, we are not getting the draw yet. So we
Yeah.
are in India. So actually now we are thinking what else we can add to this channel other than IELTS video.
Yeah, because we are running short of highlight topics now. We can talk about maps or anything. Very small topics are left. We're still pending with academic task one, right?
Yeah, task one.
Just the last videos left, so we'll be completing that also very soon. But after that, what we need to do? Should we talk about? Should we do vlogs or should we do travel vlogs or anything about food we cook or anything related to our job we do professionally?
So for that we require your support. If you can suggest us in the comment section, okay, this is a better idea, or you can
Yeah.
give an highlights idea as well. Like you can
Make video on this.
on this
I know
topic.
our subscribers are quite less now. We have few, very few now who have subscribed to our channel. It's around 370 subscribers at present. So please, at least you guys, if you guys can comment below that what exactly you guys want to know. We'll surely try to shoot those videos and upload for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, and most importantly, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So today, what we're going to talk about is
So one of our actually subscriber has commented they are not able to get the idea during the essay writing.
yeah, yeah. So that even used to happen initially with us, but we have improved uh, that through practice and using a very simple technique.
Which we are going to discuss today.
Yeah. And the most important thing what I want to emphasize is that IELTS do not judge what you're thinking.
On your basis, like what points you have given.
Yeah.
Or is that a like it's more of a bad section or more of a good section?
Yeah.
So it's just on the basis of what you have written and how clearly you are able to give your ideas to the reader.
Exactly. So let's get into the video.
So this is the question which we have. We have taken a sample question.
Yeah.
So some people spend a lot of money attending cultural or sports events. Is it a good or bad thing? Give your opinion and examples from your own experience.
Yeah. So whenever we are trying to think a answer for this topic, we break it down into three parts.
So that is the first important thing which we have to do. We need to break it down so that things become easy for us to understand, and when the things become easy, we are able to put more efforts on small things.
And make sure do not spend more than 2 minutes in that. And I know initially you will take at least
Five,
5 minutes to 5 to 6 minutes to complete it, but slowly as you practice you will be reducing your time, and because on the final day of exam you have to only spend 2 minutes on this.
Correct, because generally we have only 1 hour and we have to complete two tasks, and it
Right.
becomes really very difficult to complete within the given time.
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing is what you have to do, first understand what type of essay it is.
Okay.
So we have four kind of essays generally: discussion, opinion discussion, and situation.
Yeah, and so we have a video, we have made templates for these. So we'll be putting on the description box. So please watch our those videos as
Yeah.
well.
And those videos are really helpful because some of the people have commented us and also messaged us they have able to
Cleared.
clear the exam with them.
Yeah.
So you can use it. So first of all we understood the essay. So if we
So here, huh?
so here if you look at the question, so look at this part. Give your opinion and examples from your own experience.
Yep.
So from here we can come to know this is a opinion based essay.
Right.
Okay. So now second is break the question. So how we are going to break? So read here. Some people spend a lot of money attending cultural or sports event. Is it a good or bad thing? Give your opinion and examples from your own experience.
Yeah. So here, first thing if, when you have to score a 7, you have to understand that completion of the question is important. Means all the parts in the question needs to be answered.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's not that just you can write a good English and they are going to give you good marks. It's not completely based on that. It's also about what you are going to read and you are going to extract out of it. It's
Right.
about your reading skill as well.
Yeah. So here, as I mentioned, yellow. So the first part is spend a lot of money. Some people spend a lot of money on what? Attending cultural or sports event. So that is something mean. Spend a lot of money and then cultural or
On
sports.
what? On cultural and sports events.
Yeah. And the question here is it a good or a bad thing? So here we have to write good or we have to write bad.
thing. Correct.
Yeah. So what is the thing? Opinion. That opinion word was there, so we could understand that it's an opinion type of essay. And with what? With examples. And by what? Your own experience.
Yeah. So in every question, they will not write down your own experience. In some of them, it will be there. So where it is there, you can use your own experience, because when you get chance to give your own experience, we are able to write
Lot of
more,
things.
a lot of things. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah, but that own experience doesn't mean you have to write your sentences that I.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
I went to the event. I didn't like it. I like that.
You can't write
You
it.
can't do that. All
You
those
have
things.
to write very general statements which are common for all the people.
Correct.
Yeah. And examples also, don't write it related to yours that I had gone to the stadium and I liked something like that.
Please don't make it like that.
Yeah, make your own experience a very general statement.
Correct.
Yeah.
So now comes to the most important part.
Yeah, so we have broken the statement, broken the question.
We understood what type of question it is.
Yeah.
So now, like, okay, so here the thing is like, so we have to write down, is it a good or a bad thing? So we can have both the things, like, and we can choose from good or bad.
Yeah. But don't draw this table and all. Here we have done it to just
To
visualize.
explain you
Yeah.
so that it becomes easy for you to
There,
understand.
don't just waste your time, just draw a line and write good and bad.
Mhm.
And then you find out where you have more points and where you have lesser points. When you have more points, go ahead and write that in your answer.
And leave the other one.
Other one, yeah.
And also one more thing, like if you are going to use like you have more bad points, it doesn't mean the reader or examiner is going to check, okay, he has written more bad point, I'm not going to give him good
Let us
marks.
cut marks.
Let us cut marks, or he's having a bad thinking.
It's
Nothing.
your opinion, so write it down.
Mm.
Don't think twice, yeah.
So now come to the question, like how we are going to get good point and how we are going to get the bad point. So first of all, we will go to the good point. So like just take an example, like you are going for an event, like cultural event, or you are going for a sports event. So what does come to your mind? Just think just for 1 second about it. Okay, why you are going for an event? First of all thing. So
You
like
want to break the
routine. So generally, like it will comes like some of your friends will say, okay, yaar, I'm getting bored. Let's do something. So you are just breaking a routine of yours.
Yeah, so that's one good point.
Good point.
Yeah.
Second is, so like now what is the next thing comes to your mind? Like why people have more eagerness to, okay, let's go and watch a cricket match. Let's go and watch a football match live. Let's go watch Kabaddi. Why? What is the reason? Because people have celebrities for them, like take an example of cricket, Indian cricket team. So like we take example of Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli is very famous personality, so people are really willing to see, okay, let's see Virat Kohli from nearby.
Yeah, so he likes Sehwag, so he will obviously spend 2,000 rupees for a ticket and जाके देखेगा वो Sehwag. He will go and see, watch it. Why should he miss it? We stay the city we stay in. If the cricketer is playing, if India team is playing and he wants to see Sehwag, he's ready to watch it. It's just like it's a very
it happens with everyone. So like
yeah,
if you are take any culture event, like there is sports music event is happening.
Yeah.
So you are like A.R. Rahman, you like A.R. Rahman. So if he is coming to nearby to your place, like you will have okay, should I go? So if you have the willingness, you can go and try that
Yeah,
part.
if it's a 2000 rupees ka ticket, you will go and buy. So that comes in a mind that you're able to meet your artist. So that's a the artist you're fan of, or the sport person you're fan of. So that's your second point. That becomes a good
Good part.
good part. Yeah.
So this is just a normal thing. Like we are just thinking like normal people how we think.
Yeah.
So third part is like why you have to go and what else benefit you get after going to this stadium? Like you are seeing your favorite celebrity or sports person doing performing their task. So what else? Like whenever you go, you feel like more involved. You might have seen the TV. All the people are cheering like, "Oh, India!" or "Wow!" They are singing like they are doing like this. So you might have seen like it's shows more involvement. So you also feel like, okay, I should also do those things.
This thing, huh? Okay, yeah. Actually, yes. So you get more involved. So that's a good point. And because if you're sitting at home, you'll be just like alone watching. Okay, fine. But when you're with people around in a stadium or in an auditorium, then you'll get more energetic to watch the show, and you're okay to spend the 2000 over a weekend to watch that. Yeah.
So, like, take one more example. If you see the comedy scenes or series, so sometimes you will see audience over there is laughing, ha ha ha. But we people sitting at home may not feel okay. It's not a good joke. But the environment has become like that over there that people feel laughing.
Yeah, so these are just general things which comes in your mind. Obviously, you wouldn't be spending so much time how much we have spoken now. It's almost we spoke 5 minutes, but you wouldn't spend that much.
This is just will come to your mind in a fraction of seconds.
Yeah, but this has to come. You have to understand the question for that. Spend a lot of money, cultural sports events. So, what is the advantage of sports and cultural events? You have to understand that. What will it benefit you as a person? It may not benefit. So, that time you can write those bad points.
Correct. Now, like these are the good points. You can just this is just common normal thinking. You don't have to think complicated events, culture events, sports. You just have to think normally,
Yeah.
like why I am going, what is the benefit, like why people go if you are not going, why your friends go, and what you feel those people who are in the stadium or coming the TV, what you feel during that time.
Yeah.
So this is the just thinking.
And the
Okay,
disadvantage.
disadvantage like sometimes we are sitting at the home and we see okay people are going for these events. We see oh why we have to go where we can watch the good entertainment on our TV only. Why?
By not wasting your money by just ordering from Zomato.
In those 2000 money you can order from Zomato, have a good food, and with your family you can enjoy there only, and you can have a better picture also.
Yeah, that's our thinking. And there could be people who would be having more bad points than good points. But we, as you can see on the table, we have more good points. So when we will be framing our essay, we would be writing about good points. So both our paragraphs, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3, would be good, right?
So, so whatever you feel you have the more points, whether it's in the bad or
Or
good
it's good.
section, go with that.
Yeah.
Don't think anything else. And these just take a simple vision, simple thought process. Don't make it complicated.
Yeah.
In beginning you will find it difficult, but slowly you will come to it.
First 5 to 6 essays, you will be taking 5 to 6 minutes to write this table for sure. But once you start practicing, you will get it. So I can give you one more example. It's like the in schools, children should be taught foreign languages. So you can there could be that I'll have more bad points. I can say that it will be a lot of pressure on students. They can learn it in the further. It would be too much, too many subjects.
Too many subjects.
And there'll be too many examinations in the future. So there are too many bad points. It just comes in the mind just on a
normal thinking. Just
yeah.
And if you take the good point, you will say, okay, they are learning more languages.
Yeah.
That will be helpful in the future. That will help in the career growth.
Yeah, and it's actually it is very normal things. And
simple thought process. Don't make it complicated. Actually.
Yes. So yeah, but always follow when we tell it in every video, practice. This will also come very when you practice a lot. Yeah. it'll come very naturally after
Mm.
that. Yeah.
And again, I'm telling, don't make it complicated. Just have a simple thinking. That's the best thing.
Because they're not judging what you're thinking, they're just judging what you're writing.
Correct.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
chalo, bye bye.
Hope you guys liked our video. Please share, subscribe,
And like our channel, because we really want to grow this family of ours. So please do
and
it.
we want to provide you the best content whatever we have, or which can keep you entertaining and keep you
Knowledgeable. Yeah. And make your journey into Canada more easier. I'm not sure when we'll get it, but hopefully we were helpful, or we will be helpful for few more people.
Correct.
Yeah.
And give your comments, like
Yeah.
what is the next idea or next video we can make on.
We can make anything you guys want. You want to know anything about us, or any other vlogs or anything, we are ready to make it. So yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye.